The cleaning business is by far the best business you can start unless your parents left you a trust fund. And since that's not most of us, it is the best business. But how do you run this business successfully? How do you build this thing to be super profitable and need so few hours from you? Basically, how do you do it without you becoming the business? That is the full-time salesperson, the full-time marketing team, the cleaner staff, the admin staff, all of it. See, if you're not careful, it can become that, just like any business. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I did it multiple times and how you can do it too, even if you are a very beginner. In fact, it's almost better off if you are a beginner. All right, so no fancy edits on this one. I just want to talk to those of you who really want to build this thing, and you don't need any of that. If you are unfamiliar, my name is Mike Mack, and I wrote the Amazon bestseller. That's actually not behind me. Pick Up Cash, Not Trash, industry, decade plus. And now I'm here teaching you how to do it. So how do you not make this a job? Now, for me, the first thing you have to think about is the model, because there are so many different types of cleaning businesses out there. But what's going to be the most important question in the beginning is, what's your model? Because I'm going to tell you right now, there are so many. You can clean houses. You can do offices like I do. You can do, vacation rentals, government contracts. I mean, I can go on and on and on and on. Model matters most. And for me, for my money, every time it's offices. Why? Well, because I think about the life I actually want. The life I actually want is going to be driven by my family, my faith, my friendships, right? I love business. I love business with all my heart, but I don't need it to dominate my life. Okay, I have no desires to be the next Jeff Bezos or the next Elon Musk. So because of that, I structure my companies in a way that I'm able to build this asset, but always make it feel like a side business. And the way I'm able to do that is with the office cleaning model. The reason why is because what I've learned is less offices who pay more. It's the best possible way to get that done. It's the best possible way to maximize your earnings, but also limit the amount of time necessary. And let's break that down, why that's true. Well, when you compare this to other models, you need tons and tons and tons of clients if you are going with the other models, right? Residential, a lot of people, flavor of the month, remote cleaning, do a remote cleaning business. Most of you who've actually already done that realize once you hit 10K, it's nearly impossible to break past 10 or even 20K and actually make real money. That doesn't appeal to me. I don't want 100 different houses to think about. That's 100 different bosses effectively, 100 different people that your company has to deliver for. And if you don't, you get slammed on Google about it. I don't want that. I want a squeaky clean, I'm leaving that in, squeaky clean reputation. And the way to really do that is to manage how many people you're servicing. So if you're servicing 5 clients and they're paying you on average $5,000 or $6,000 per month, which is really typical for medium-sized offices, well, guess what? You're doing $25,000, $30,000+ a month, depending on the average, with 5 clients. Now, if you flip that around, what happens if you needed 80 houses? Or 40 move in, move out cleans? It takes a lot of time, a lot of energy, a lot of RAM. So picking the model is the most important thing to make sure you don't get sucked into doing this. Now, how do we make sure you don't become the full-time sales rep, right? I mean, sales and marketing, they matter. They're very important drivers of growth. How do we make sure you don't become the full-time salesperson? Well, again, now that you have your model, what is your method of getting clients? My method is very simple, and it won't change ever. At least there's nothing even close that makes me want to change. And it is, I'm going to build a list, and I'm going to market to that list very, very consistently. I'm going to market to them very differently, okay? I'm not going to call them. I'm not going to go knock on their door. I'm not going to run ads to them. Why? Because I don't need to. I would rather my clients come to me pre-sold. Because if they're pre-sold, meaning they've already decided, you're at least one of the people I want. And it's very rare that it's going to be more, because most cleaning company owners kind of fall into that trap of doing what everyone else is doing. kind of flavor of the month marketing. Everyone's getting sucked into AI. Cool. Let the industry fill up with AI slop. Us as operators, we're going to focus on pre-selling our clients. I use direct mail, right? I love direct mail. When you can have a persuasive piece of mail get into somebody's hands, you can't mess with that. You can't beat it. And so that is going to save us a lot of time because that can be systematized. That's something you can do yourself. You can have a company do it, or you can pay an assistant to do it. Either way, it's conquering two things at once. It's letting people, these offices, know you exist, and it's also pre-selling them. That way, when they come to you, you don't need to do any ninja sales tactics. So right there, that is going to cut down so many hours. Whereas most people, selling is just going to be a big part of what they do. Prospecting all day, calling people. Could you imagine that? What a full-time job. And like me, a family guy. Could you imagine if also part of your day, I have to call people 5 hours at night? We would never be able to live a life outside of the business, at least not for the first few years. No. If you do it like this, you'll have less people blowing up your phones, you'll go on less walkthroughs, and you'll close less deals, but the deal value will be so much higher that it doesn't matter, and the ROI will be so much bigger, and that it'll make it to where any form of marketing is going to give you massive ROI. That's it. So that's our model, and then from there, that's our approach. Well, how do we make sure, where's most of the work going to come from? Where will most of the time be logged? Well, that's if you decide to be the cleaner. Here's how we make sure you're never the cleaner. The way we do this is by understanding one simple fact. No matter what anyone tells you about this industry, near 40%, last I checked, near 40% of people are looking for some type of extra income to bridge the gap, to make ends meet. These are phenomenal people that need a great part-time job. Something that is quiet, something that's discreet, something that happens at night, something that they could put their headphones on, listen to an audiobook, listen to some music, right? Talk on the phone to a friend, as long as, who cares? It's an empty office, and as long as they're following your systems, then there isn't an issue. See, do you see how you start piecing this together? Can you see how all of a sudden this starts becoming this is extremely reasonable? I can see that. And it's all systems. That's all it is. That's what took me to freedom. Back when I owned a franchise in the early days, it stunk. The profits were non-existing. I didn't know how to recruit, didn't know how to train anybody, didn't know how to get my own clients because they don't teach you. I was just overpaying for a model that was broken. And now, since it is systematized, it is so much more straightforward and simple, and it's perfect for someone like you who's hardworking already, doesn't have a ton of time, but has a bit of time. If you have a bit of time, then you can make this work. If you'd like my team and I to personally help you set everything up, build everything out, hand it over to you in 21 days with your lead gen, everything already pre-written, pre-done, so you could start getting people pre-sold and start making money on this thing within the next 30 days or more, click the first link in the description, book a call, talk with my team. You have nothing to lose. See if we're going to be a good fit to work to each other. See if what we have would be a massive value for you. Either way, you're going to be very clear on next steps. But let's say you're not ready for that. You're just like, Mike, I just need to know a little bit more. Give me a little bit more of the structure so I understand. Watch this video right here. Guess what? I'm already over there waiting for you. Don't leave me hanging. I'll catch you later. Peace out, Cub Scouts.